If diabetic ka or you know someone who is, this video is for you. Is it better to check your blood sugar at home or at the lab? There are 3 common ways to check your blood sugar: CBG, FBS, and HbA1c. CBG is done at home. Ipiprick mo lang yung finger mo and the device will give you an instant reading of your blood sugar for that specific moment. This is helpful to monitor their blood sugar daily and easily make adjustments sa diet nila in case na mataas pa rin yung blood sugar nila. FBS measures your blood sugar after not eating for at least 8 hours. It gives you a good idea of how your body handles sugar when fasted. You can do FBS if nakalimutan mag-fast or nag-overfast ka because the results won't be accurate. HbA1c naman, to put it simply, it's like a report card of your patient for the past 3 months if naging mabait siya. Walang takas kasi dito kasi it measures your average blood sugar levels for the past 3 months. So which of the 3 is best? If you have diabetes, it is recommended for you to do all 3. They serve different purposes like CBG for daily monitoring, HbA1c and FBS for regular checkup with your doctor. For people na walang diabetes but still reach the end of the video, I would recommend HbA1c or FBS for annual checkup. Always remember, health is wealth and prevention is better than cure kasi walang cure sa diabetes.